Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and this is a very easy look which is perfect for uni or office. So I hope you find this video helpful and enjoy. So the first thing I need to apply before starting my makeup is a lip balm. My lips are so chapped, so a lip balm is a must for me. Next up, I'm going to use a concealer, and this is the Colourpop concealer. For a regular light makeup, I generally don't use foundation. I'll just use the concealer underneath my eyes, on my chin, nose bridge and forehead, and then I'll just blend it all out all over my face. This basically does the work of a concealer without that heavy cakey coverage. So to blend out the concealer better, I've used a bit of makeup setting spray. This one was from Badescu. And then I'm using a Sigma Edge Kabuki brush, and I'm blending the concealer all over my face. And then to set the concealer, I'm using this Airspun powder, which I've recently started using, and I am quite loving it. So I basically apply powder underneath my eyes, on my eyelid and my smile lines, because I get a lot of creasing in these areas. So for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Pixi X Weylie collaboration eyeshadow palette, and from here I'm taking this rusty orangey shade with a small pointy pencil brush from Pixi as well, and I'm applying it on the outer corner and my crease. Then I'm taking this darker brown with the same brush and again applying it on my outer corner and my crease. I'm not doing anything too dramatic, it's a very light and simple makeup. Now to blend everything out, I'm using a fluffier brush and using the same light orangey brown shade again and going over my crease. Such a fluffy brush is gonna help blend everything out really nicely. Next up, I'm taking another Pixi palette, and from here I'm going to be using this dark brown matte shade with the same pointy pencil brush, and I'm just deepening up the outer corner a little bit. And I'm also dragging it along the crease as well. To line my waterline, I'm using this brown eyeliner pencil from Pixi. All the products would be listed down below, so please go check it out if you want to see the actual names of the products. To smoke out the lower lash line, I'm again taking the rusty orangey shade, and with the same pencil brush, I'm applying it on my lower lash line. And now for my lid shade, I'm taking this matte sort of a gold shade. This shade is so shimmery and so pretty, and I'm applying it all over my lid with my fingers. And now to line my lash line, I'm gonna use this matte black eyeshadow from Flormar, and with an angled liner brush, I'm just creating a very thin line and a small wing across my top lash line. I'm using an eyeshadow to line my eyes rather than a liquid or pen eyeliner is because a powder makes the line look much more delicate and it's not as harsh. So for an everyday look, I want the liner to be very soft and light. Now to highlight my inner corner, I'm taking this shimmery off-white shade and placing it on my inner corners. This helps to open up the eyes and make your eyes look much brighter. And I'm also using the same eyeshadow to highlight my brow bones. And now for mascara, I'm using my most favorite Jordana Best Lash Extreme Volumizing Mascara on my top lashes. And for my bottom lashes, I'm going to be using the Loreal Butterfly Waterproof Mascara because the mascara on my bottom lashes tend to smudge a lot. Now somehow here I've lost the footage of me applying a blush from Pixi, so I would insert the picture so that you guys can have a look. Now to set my face, I'm using this makeup setting spray from Pixi Beauty as well. And for my lips, today I'm using the Pixi Matte Lush Liquid Lipstick. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family so that I can reach more people. And of course, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also please hit the notification bell so that you always get notification whenever I upload a video. And the comment for this video is right here on the screen. Thank you so much for commenting. So until next time, take care and bye-bye.